In a significant reshuffling of military leadership, Zimbabwe's President Mr. Emmerson Mnangagwa is appointed Major General Emmanuel Matatu as the new commander of the Zimbabwe National Army. This comes after the elevation of Matatu to the rank of Lieutenant General. The announcement was made on March 27, 2025 in an official government statement. Sanapenda mashoko buda panapa atiri kuona kuti aiwa people panapa poita maspeculations nemashoko wajasi kuona kuti aiwa matransitions of power nemareassignment ari kuitika panguva ino anotoshamisa anobva subscribe like on the bell icon. Ndina zimba inobudanyira chiti the move follows the reassignment of Lieutenant General Anselm Namusanyatwe. He has been shifted to the peripheral Ministry of Sports. Mnangagwa's decision to remove Sanyatwe is seen as a strategic maneuver to address internal power struggles within the ruling party ZANU-PF, where Sanyatwe was regarded as a key figure. According to political analysts, Sanyatwe's reassignment is widely perceived as an effort by Mnangagwa to consolidate his control over the military. In court, Mnangagwa has made it clear that he wants to retain a tight grip on power, especially with the nationwide protest scheduled for March 31, said one analyst who requested anonymity. The protest, led by war veteran Blessed Geza, have become a focal point of the opposition against the current government. Geza and his supporters are calling for widespread demonstrations against the administration, raising concerns that the protest may escalate into significant unrest. In the official government statement, the appointment of Major General Matatu was outlined in legal terms. His Excellency the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe and Commander-in-Chief of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, Commander Dr. E.D. Mnangagwa, acting in terms of Section 216, reads with Section 89 of the Constitution of Zimbabwe and Sections 11(1)(a) and 11(4) of the Defense Charter, is appointed Major General Emmanuel Matatu to the rank of Lieutenant General and Commander of the Zimbabwe National Army with immediate effect. The statement read, ndo mashoko anobudanyirwa panapa atiri kuona kuti aiwa panguva ino zvaendwa vanhu vanyatso kuona kuti aiwa these guys they are consolidating power and removing each and every threat. Tudze mafuro emurudeva zviri pachitiko chipinda comment section medu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.